guys, it's Abby and I'm so excited to announce that this video is in collaboration with the wonderful website Yesstyle. I've done quite a few collaborations with them before. I've done fashion lookbook videos with them as well as a few other skincare videos as well. So today is another skincare video. As you guys probably saw in the title of the video, this is a glass skin makeup kit that was sent to me by Yesstyle. There's even a few items that honestly together work really well for a Korean skincare routine. So if you guys have been searching for some really cool Korean skincare items and don't even know how to kind of create your own skincare kit, then honestly get these items. Right off the bat, I will say I love them. I've been using them for about a week now and they've made my skin look amazing. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the actual video. So the first item I got was this one. This is the Let Me Refresh foam cleanser and it comes in this small little container. It is a very neutral color and as you open it up, the actual container is white, so it looks like this and it just says Let Me Refresh. I believe it's from the company Klairs. I've never heard of this company before, but it's said to be a really good item. I've been using this product for about a week. My face has not reacted negatively to this product. I haven't gotten any breakouts or any acne. It's really helped my skin, really helped clear it up, to be honest, which I really do love. So you guys can see here on the screen how I'm using the items. So I pretty much got out of the shower and this time I decided to kind of use the items since I just felt like my skin was a little bit, you know, more prepped. My pores were open, so I really went and kind of used this item to really clean my pores since they were, like I said, already open. And so I got a little bit of the item. I kind of put it on my skin. I kind of massaged it on my face, grabbed a little bit of water and kind of just massaged that into my face to make sure that my pores are being nice and cleaned. And then I washed it off. The product was a little bit drying on my skin. My skin did feel a little bit dry after using it, but it wasn't horrible. I have a few acne scars because I had a few pimples when I was using the products before. This was before I used the products, so that was just a normal hormonal thing. And then I used the products and I gotta say my pimples have become so much smaller. The pigmentation, which typically comes with acne scars, was honestly personally my biggest issue. I've never really had much of an issue with really bad acne. Typically it's just mainly acne scars that I have problems with. The product has really helped. This whole combination has really helped. I don't know which exact item is the one that helped necessarily, but I've been using them all for a week and this product has helped my skin a lot. It's really cleaned my pores and I don't know if this has aided in the whole difference in my skin, making it look really nice, really soft, very dewy. I don't know what it is, but clearly this product has not, you know, impacted my face in a negative way. I haven't had any pimples since I've been using the product. It's really helped my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and list some of the benefits of this product so you guys can go ahead and see if that helps for you guys. You guys can kind of see, is this a product for you? Is this kind of what you're looking for? Is this a foam cleanser for you? So it is a cleansing foam infused with 30% organic Avena sativa oat seed water to nourish and soothe skin for a natural radiance. It also claims to remove dead skin cells for a smooth complexion, which probably explains why my skin has been feeling really great since I've been using these products, including this cleansing foam. With coconut drives surfactant to reduce irritation to skin, leaving your skin hydrated after cleansing. The creamy formula lathers into a rich, soft lather that clears away all makeup residue and skin impurities. So I did actually use this item after applying makeup. Like I said, sometimes I would use it after the shower. Other times I would use it right after I had cleaned up my makeup, which I'll be doing after this video. I firmly believe that you need to have an oil-based makeup remover and then have something like a foam cleanser to kind of really finish off and really clean off those pores. So it's definitely really helped, and like I said, I haven't had any acne since I've been using these products, including the foam cleansers. So I gotta say the benefits are quite accurate. My skin has been feeling really great. The next item is the Hyaluron Cool Soothing Toner. So it looks like this. This is a really bright blue color, which you guys will probably get to see on the screen because it's kind of hard to see right now, to be honest. As I open it, it's quite a big bottle. So this item is not a spray-on toner, which I have gotten before from Yesstyle. This is more of like a different type of toner where you kind of put it on a little napkin. So you guys can see here the way I end up putting it on my face. I use those little round wipes that I don't know the name of, but you guys can see visually how it looks. The product has really helped my skin, and after using the foam cleanser that you guys see right here, the Let Me Refresh foam cleanser, this works really well to sort of just, you know, hydrate my skin after using a product that sort of, you know, cleaned my pores but did leave my skin feeling a little dry. So this product, you know, works really well as a second step. It is a toner with rich hyaluronic acid that replenishes hydration to dehydrated, dry, and irritated skin due to skin heat. It also offers a pleasant cooling sensation upon applying while reducing the appearance of skin heat. This product has been really great on my skin. It is, you know, kind of going towards the fall, kind of going towards the winter time, and it's been getting pretty cold. So my skin has been feeling a lot more dry. This product has really helped it. Like I said, when I applied this product after the foam cleanser, it felt really great on my skin. It really hydrated my skin, and like I said, it works really well with the foam cleanser. Definitely did, you know, nourish and moisturize the skin. Korean skincare toners are some of the best, and and this is just so happens to be another really amazing toner that literally does what it's supposed to do. It does what the benefits are shown on the Yesstyle page, and I love it. The next product is the Klairs Fundamental Watery Oil Drop. Let's go ahead and open it up. I think this brand is quite popular. It sounds a bit familiar. Maybe I'm wrong, but it looks like this is a much more smaller container, and it's sort of transparent, and it kind of explains to you the different things that it provides. So it says watery oil texture, which is exactly how it feels. It does feel sort of like an oil, which is really interesting, but I hate the feeling of any sort of like oily, you know, certain lotions I've used that feel very oily on the skin that I absolutely hate. I just hate that feeling of oil on my skin. This is kind of like a watery oil texture, but it feels really great on the skin. It's very refreshing, which I'm not sure that's necessarily some of the benefits it's supposed to do, but it does feel refreshing. It doesn't feel icky, you know, when you, I don't know, I just hate the feeling of oil on my skin. It just feels nasty. And this product is a watery oil texture, but it doesn't feel like that. It feels really refreshing, and it feels very, very moisturizing on the skin. So it is a watery oil texture, deep hydration, glowy complexion, and vegan friendly. I can definitely say it definitely makes the skin look very glowy. It feels very great on the skin, very refreshing. So if you take a look at the benefits, it claims that it is a lightweight serum that is ideal for dehydrated skin that features moisturizing properties of a face oil for a well-rested, radiant appearance. It features daily concentrated hydration from the heat of summer sun to the dryness of winter winds that prevents moisture loss, which is amazing, is what we're looking for during the winter time. If you're looking for a good Korean skincare set, this might be exactly what you'd be looking for, especially right now since it's the fall. It's the winter time, your skin is going to feel a lot more dry because of the cold weather. And this is a vegan-friendly, cruelty-free item, and it's formulated with active ingredients such as Jeju green tea water, rice extract, fermented extracts, peptides, etc. that provide strong moisturizing effects and antioxidant care. It allows the skin to absorb effectively while leaving a non-sticky feeling, which I can attest for. It doesn't feel sticky or gross. Since like it said, it is a watery oil consistency, and you would think that that's how it would feel, but it doesn't. It feels very moisturizing and definitely adds to that sort of glass skin, that glowy look that we're looking for when you're thinking of Korean skincare. You see all the, you know, the K-pop idols and the Korean actors and actresses. Their skin is looking amazing, let me tell you, and their skin is always very dewy, and this product definitely really does help with that. This product does do that. It gives you that sort of dewy appearance while still hydrating your skin, which is exactly what we're looking for when you're looking for a Korean skincare set. The product offers antioxidation function and improves skin regeneration. The fundamental line products aim to restore moisture deep into skin and provide anti-aging effect. Exactly what it says it is. It's very hydrating, feels really great on the skin, and definitely adds that kind of glowy hydration that you're looking for a dewy skin look. So this is the next product. This is the V.Biome Soothing Cream. It is by the company Neogen Dermalogy, and this product is one of my absolute favorite products. This is a product that as soon as I put it on, I can immediately tell that my skin is looking very, very glowy, very, very dewy. Let's go ahead and open it up. So it looks like this is a very small container, and if you open it up, the color of the actual cream is this very pale pink. It's almost like a very, very light pink. Maybe it's purple, I'm not sure, but it's very light, it's very pleasant to the eye. I'm not sure what this contraption is called, this sort of shape that it has, but it makes it really easy to apply on the face. You guys can see here in the video as I'm applying it, and it does allow you to sort of massage it into your face, massage it under the eyes, things like that, which I did see in the instructions. I believe you can do that. You kind of apply it under the eye, and it really, really helps. This has honestly really helped my under eye circles. It's really moisturized my under eyes, and you know, typically I tend to have like wrinkles under my eyes, and this product has really helped sort of like smooth it out. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really moisturized my skin, and this is a product that as soon as I use it, I can immediately see the dewy effect on my skin. My skin immediately looks really dewy after using this product. I'm not sure if it's because of the buildup of all the other products I've used, like the toner and the serum that I used before, but after I use this product, immediately I can see a big difference. My skin looks very dewy and very glowy. So this is one of my favorite products, and like I said, if you want an instant glow, then go for this product. I really loved it. So this is some of the benefits that this product has. So it is meant to moisturize and help maintain antioxidants. It's attached with a 2-in-1 relaxing glow massager to massage the eye and V-line in a more hygienic way. It adopted the encapsulation technology that converted the cream into a nano-sized particles to enhance skin absorption. It contains 19 essential vitamins to rejuvenate dual and tired skin. skin. And it replenishes a burst of hydration to parched skin and maintains skin moisture with 8 types of hyaluronic acid. Now this product does claim to replenish a burst of hydration and really moisturize the skin, which completely makes sense why my skin feels glowy and very moisturizing after using this product. I gotta say guys, I love this item for sure, and what it's saying, it really does do that. Like I said, I've been loving this product and these products together because it is the winter time and my skin tends to get very dry, as most people's skin does. And so to be able to have some sort of product to really moisturize my skin is exactly what I'm looking for right now during the winter time when it's a lot colder and my skin feels a lot more dry. So this product does claim to do that, to really hydrate and give a burst of hydration to the skin, which definitely makes a lot of sense why my skin feels the most dewy and hydrated and glowy after using this particular product. So definitely one of my favorites, a 10 out of 10. So the next product is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Water Essence. It comes in this small little container and it has this kind of blueprint here with the name of the actual product. Let's go ahead and open it up. So this is the product. So it looks like this. It comes in this small little bottle, and the way it works is that, and it's kind of very similar to the other one where you can kind of drop it and kind of apply it on your face like so, and you guys can see here on the screen I kind of try to do that. I love how convenient it comes in a small container and you can kind of apply it, and it makes it a lot easier to kind of spread it all over your face, which is definitely something that I love. So this product claims to have 8 types of hyaluronic acid that replenishes moisture and has a non-sticky finish, which I can definitely test for. It definitely does do that. It doesn't feel weird or sticky or gross. It feels very moisturizing. So the product claims to moisturize skin effectively with 8 types of hyaluronic acid, different molecule sizes of the hyaluronic acid to replenish dry skin. It forms a moisture barrier with NMF to retain moisture and to protect skin. It moisturizes, nourishes, and offers skin texture care. It also has a low irritation, high concentrated essence which allows smooth and a soft complexion. This is the last item I use for my skincare routine for the glowy look, and honestly does have that extra help of hydrating the skin and really aiding and helping with that whole glowy look, which is exactly what we're probably going for any time of the year, to be honest, not just the winter time. But I do gotta say they focus specifically on moisturizing and hydrating the skin, which definitely helps with different times of the year, but specifically in the winter time when the skin does tend to get quite dry and you need as much moisture on your skin to really help it out. So my overall review of these items, that they're excellent. They all work really well for a winter skincare routine. You're looking for moisturizing products that will really help hydrate your skin during the cold weather, that will really give you that dewy, glowy look. Go for these products. Let me know which item piqued your interest. If you guys are going to purchase any of the items, if you guys are someone who's an amateur, very beginner at Korean skincare or skincare in general and don't even know where to start, want to have your own sort of like set, I highly recommend you get all these items. I'll be listing them in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and purchase them, whether you get one item or all the items, which I recommend you guys to get all the items. They've been working really well on my skin. My skin has felt really great. If you're a person who suffers from acne scars, maybe also like wrinkles under the eyes, things like that, and go for these items. Or if you're looking for a Korean skincare set for the winter time, maybe you want to change things up a little bit, I highly recommend you guys to get all of these items. They've really helped my skin, and like I said, I love these more than the other products I've been given, which they've been great, but I don't know what it is about these products. They've really helped my skin. Even my twin sister has complimented me on my skin and how it's been looking and how great it's been looking since I've been using these products. So these are definitely some of my favorite products, and I don't know if any other products are going to be able to top these items, but as someone who's an amateur and doesn't even know where to even start, these products have been really great and have really been helping me in the issues that I specifically struggle with. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this video. Let me know if it was helpful to you guys. Like I said, I'm a complete beginner when it comes to Korean skincare, but these are just my own personal opinions on these products, personally feel about these products and how my skin has felt with them. Go ahead and give them a try, and I really hope that it gives you guys the same benefits that it's been giving me. But without further ado, that is the end of the video. This video has gotten quite long, but I really hope it was informational for you guys, and I think it works really well for now this time of the year because it is the fall, it is the winter time, you know, it's kind of going into that kind of weather, and it's been really cold, guys. Follow me at @theofficial_Abby on Instagram for some cute fashion inspiration. I also have a TikTok where I post a bunch of cute videos as well, kind of like shorter versions of these videos. So you guys have not, go ahead and follow me there. Check out my Pinterest as well so you guys can see some of my ideas, some things that I'm interested in to get to know me a little bit better, and you guys can get some cute look aesthetic ideas as well on fashion, makeup, hair, different things like that. I'll be leaving a link to all my social media accounts in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check them out and follow me everywhere if you can. Leave a comment if you guys can. It seems like YouTube is really favoring videos that have comments, so if you guys can even just like leave a heart, that would mean a lot to me. So thank you guys so so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. I really want to reach 3K subscribers by the end of this year, so if you guys can do that for me and subscribe, please go ahead and do that. It would mean a lot to me. If you guys do subscribe to my channel, press on that little notification bell. Let me know once I posted a video, so you guys can be some of the first people to be notified once I posted a video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!